Hey guys, so I just wanted to demo MarketView for you. So as you can see, we have our tables in MySQL that connect with our project, users, stocks, followed, and comments. And users, I already have a user added. Stocks followed, it's empty, and so is comments. So let's add a new user. So we'll just click sign up, and I'll make my account username RJ Tennis Master. Then my password will be volcano. So I'm all signed up. And as you can see in the database, if we refresh, you see me right here. So username RJ Tennis Master and password volcano. I haven't added a bio or full name yet, but we'll get to that. All right, so let's go to the login now. All right, so it's RJ Tennis Master and then volcano and log in, and it lets me into the site. All right, so now actually, let's log back out and make sure that it says that it's the wrong information when I don't enter something right. So let's just say it's a random username and a random password. So you entered the wrong username or password combination. If you enter it wrong, it'll say that. So let's just log back in. And log in. All right. So this is how the homepage looks. We have our Dow Jones and Nasdaq here in some instructions, and we have our help email. Um, you can actually log out from anywhere on the page. So this logout button appears on every single page. You can see I'm logged in here. Um, let's go to the news page. All right, so you can see 6 recent articles regarding stocks and finance. To open them, you just click and it opens a new tab in a new page. You can see this one too, this one. So yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, let's go to the stocks page. So here you can search for a stock ticker. That's a valid one, at least. And it should pop up with a graph. So let's search for let's search for IBM for oops. There you go. All right. So it comes up with the graph. You can pan it, I guess. You can also like zoom in and out. Hold on. Yeah, you can zoom in and out. And this is based on hundreds of thousands of dollars on the left. What else can you do? Yeah, you have a lot of cool options here. All right, so here you can either add it to the stock folder, which is where you keep track of all your stocks, or you can close the window. So I'm gonna add this one, and let's search for Google. All right, let's add this one too, and let's search for Ford. All right, let's add this one, and then let's search for like what else? Facebook, but we're gonna ignore this one. All right, so now you can see your profile. This is my profile. So you can see the stocks I'm following here. If we click on one, it comes up with a stock graph, and we can remove it from our folder, or we can just close the window. You can see this one for Google. Then, well, hold on. Sometimes the API is a little slow, and you just have to wait a little bit. Yeah, there you go. So the IBM information. So now let's pick one to remove. I think I'm gonna remove. Mm, I'll remove Google, so it's not there anymore. And you can also make your folder public or private by clicking this button. So other people will not be able to view it if it's private. Comments, no one's left any comments on my page yet. In your info, you can change your full name. Right now, there's nothing on file, so I'm just gonna change it to Randall John. That's my full name. And your bio. Um, what do I want my bio to be? Let's see. I like to play tennis. That should be my bio. Yeah. So you can also see in the MySQL table, if you go to users again and then you run it, it updates. So you have me, my password. I like to play tennis as a bio, and then Randall John as a full name. And you can see my profile is public, so it's gonna be an N for the has private stock folder field there. And this user, Mini68 here, hers is actually private right now, and we're gonna see that later. So we won't be able to see her stock folder. But yeah, this is how my profile works. Let's go to social now. So you saw before we already have a user Mini68 here. So you can search for valid usernames that are in the system here. So let's search for her username, Mini68. So as you can see, her profile is private, her stock profile. So I can't see the stock she's following, but you can see her username and her real name, which is Kelly Watkins, just like it is in this table right here. It's a little minimized. Let's just keep it full screen. All right, yeah. So her full name is Kelly Watkins, and it's a Y for has private stock folder, so we're not gonna be able to see it, but it's okay. All right, you can see her bio, and you can also leave a comment on her page. So let's leave a comment. You're not that mean. All right, and as you can see, on our profile now, it's gonna have my comment, my username, and the date and time at which I made the comment. So yeah, that's social. You can go back to user search like this. Um, what should we demo next? Hmm, let's make a new user. So let's log out and sign up. Let's have the username be coolguy56, and then the password be potato. So sign up, and let's check if that worked. Let's run the query, and you can see new username and password. So, oops, wrong thing. All right, let's go to login now. So cool guy 56, and then potato, and it let me in. All right, so let's go search up my profile. So RJ Tennis Master. All right, so let's leave a comment on my page. Um, Oh yeah, first of all, I didn't explain. So you can see my stocks that I'm following. If you remember, I was following Ford and IBM. So you can click these and see the information. You can also add it to your stock folder. So let's just do that. And then IBM, you can see it here. And let's leave a comment. I like Ford too. Submit. So when I go back to my profile, this should be on my page, my profile page. All right, so you can see my bios here, how it was, and my real name. All right, so let's actually go to um, hey guys, I actually just ran into a bug where when you went to somebody else's profile, it wasn't adding the stock correctly, but I think I just fixed the bug, so let's test it again. So this is the cool guy, brings up my profile. Yep, I just commented this. So let's add IBM to our list. So add to stock folder. Should work now. Let's go back to his profile, and you can see here it's added. You can see the information and close it. Let's just remove it for good measure. And so when we check the database, there should only be one entry in the stocks followed for a cool guy. So let's check. Yep, just one. And he's only following F. Oops, wrong tab again. Yep, and here it is. All right, so let's actually go back to my profile. And let's go to it. And you can see cool guy commented on my profile and the date and the time. Yeah, this is pretty much it. So that's our app. Thanks for watching.